Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC, as well as we're going to look at some of the altcoin setups. However, before we start, if you get a value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. Entire today's pump ended up with a dump, and at the moment we got a rejection right exactly from a lower time frame, the resistance level, which I updated via Twitter, and we'll come back to this scenario in a minute. However, I would like to draw your attention on the weekly close. Yes, that was a $42,350 and $400 was extremely important, the weekly time frame to close above, and we got close above. However, as I said, lower time frame resistance still kept rejecting, and if we're going to claim this resistance as a support, then as I said, we've got a chance to visit to 45 and 46,000 in the first place. We have to do a further analysis on the lower time frames. This is the exact level that I was talking about. If we see the closer below this level, an acceptance, and we go further down, and we need to look at the daily support level that I'm going to cover in a minute. However, bull market entry at around here, and we saw massive pump, cleared all the targets up until the last target, and that provided for the spot back holders over 200% profit. Moving on to the daily time frame, this level as well as these two levels are consolidation on the daily time frame without breaking and claiming as a support. It's going to be early for us to talk about $45,500 and $46,000. However, at the moment daily time frame looks a bit weak, and we have to break in order to have a bullish momentum, and to break $48,000, and we need at least 5 to 6% single daily candle pump, and we can go all the way in the first place 48,000 followed by $51,500-ish. As I said, we need to break with a strong candle, and then we can have a chance to go further up. However, if we're going to get back into this level, it's going to be sign of weakness on the daily time frame, and you have to be aware of these levels. 37,700 around this area is very crucial. If we're going to lose this level, as I said, acceptance below, it's a sign of weakness. However, breaking below this level, losing this level, that will create a panic in the market, and then that will give us a bearish trend based on a daily time frame, and we've got lower levels below us. We may see this type of price action in the first place, $34,000 and $33,000, followed by all the way up to $30,000. These are going to be the target levels. However, it's very early for us to talk about these levels at this stage. In my recent videos, as you can see, I've done a link analysis with other altcoins. Above $15 and $15.50 was a resistance. This level I was referring into. So as you can see, above $15 all the way up to this level, as soon as we got clean breakout, retested it, and we started pumping. First target level, as I said, and then second target level, which gave nearly 30%. And as I said earlier on today, for the pullback, you can keep an eye on at around this level, and as soon as we're going to come and hold it, new target levels, $21 followed by 22 plus, all the way up to $23.30. These are important higher time frame Fibonacci 382 levels. And then after that, if we're going to claim this level, because higher time frame turned into bullish, and then next level we can go all the way up to $25.70. That's a daily time frame resistance level. After claiming this level, as you can see, we saw 30% pump from Blink. If you want to learn all these technical analysis what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on to the next analysis. This was due I shared earlier on the 4th of February, as soon as we're going to claim above this level, and then the target levels above us that I shared, however, failed to break, and then this trade has been cancelled. This was the scenario that claim above, and then target number one, all the way up to 70 cents. That was a target too. Fresh analysis on the dupe. As you can see, claim above 57.35 above, the price goes higher. On the 4th of February, as you can see, when the price was at around here, and claiming above this level, and then I was targeting target number one all the way up to target two. However, as you can see, we came to this support, and at the moment we got rejected nearly exact from the mentioned level. So we have got two scenarios at the moment. As long as we claim this level as a support, then target number one followed by target two all the way up to target 3. Otherwise, this level is extremely important where you've got 382, mirror image of 618, plus point of control, and then claim above, target is going to be value area high, confluence nearly with the 0.618, the Fibonacci level. So this support is very important where we have a confluence with a value area low. Scalp setup is going to be something like this, and then all the way up until here I will target, and the stop loss is going to be below this level. As I said, this is going to be target level for the scalp setup. The next setup that we have is Alt USDT, and where you have at the moment we have got a rejection nearly from the value area high, and we've got point of control plus double support levels. If we're going to hold this level and then claim the point of control, first target level I will be targeting at around 35 plus cents, followed by 37 cents all the way up to 618, that's going to be 40 cents. We've got liquidity, untapped liquidity levels, and that will clear all the liquidity levels as well. Moving on to the BTC on the 4-hour time frame, as I said in the last video that this is going to be extremely important, weekly plus next point of control. This next point of control, as you can see, already tapped, so we don't need this NPOC anymore. So as I said, this is still a very important level. Above this weekly, price will go all the way in the first place 45,000 and 45,500, followed by, if we're going to claim this resistance, we've got weekly next point of control, and then we've got untapped daily level, and this is extremely important level. Another important level that we have to keep an eye on. 4-hour time frame is a bit struggling at the moment. 1 hour as well as the 2-hour time frames are under the bear's control. At the same time, $46,000, as you can see, confluence with a value area high. This is a weekly session, by the way. And if we're going to lose next point of control, plus we've got daily as well as the weekly, highly likely the price will go all the way up to $39,000, where we have another weekly next point of control as well as the daily time frames are there, and we've got daily time frames at around $40,000 all the way up to $38,000, followed by $37,000 are extremely important levels. So the levels are clear, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.